What's up, you guys? Welcome to this week's vlog. Welcome to another vlog. Yes, if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by once again. I'm glad that you're here. If you're a new subscriber, karibu nyumbani. Yay! Guys, I'm so glad that you've given our previous video the audience, the engagement on the comment section. Yay! For my premier gun, thank you guys so much for watching my content. I am so grateful. I just don't know how to say thank you to you, but just know from the bottom of my heart, I'm so grateful. Guys, I don't know how I look. My face looks kind of messed up according to what I'm seeing here, but you're gonna find out soon and right now. So let's get straight into the video. Yay! Yeah, guys, so welcome to this week's vlog. To be honest, I don't know what this vlog is going to be about, but whatever it's going to be about, it shall be about that. So guys, you can see my hair's a bit red. I don't know whether you can see. Yeah, so I don't even know where to start from. I feel a bit emotional. I feel overwhelmed. So guys, let me just start here. Guys, when I started this channel, oh my god, I just started it for myself, for just to express myself, just to show people what I have that they can learn from me, and they can just to spice up your closet, just for you to see my life, maybe to think, just to also to entertain you, to encourage you. That was the reason I was starting this channel. So guys, it's not been an easy journey, but sometimes it comes with its ups and its downs, but so far I'm just here. I'm humbled. So guys, why am I like this today? So today, to be honest, guys, when I started this channel, I didn't know that it would go the way it's gone, or it would bring the things it's brought to my life. But to be honest, I thank God that I started this journey. And if you're watching my content and you will not subscribe, I just encourage you to kindly subscribe. You'll be glad that you subscribe to this channel. If you're a subscriber, once again I want to say thank you for subscribing to my content. So guys, when I started this channel, I was majorly doing a lot of dress code, what I wore, and I'd encourage people to style, to copy and to paste, because either way, just like that. So I met a friend online here. I wouldn't want to mention her name, and there's a time I said, if you're having dressing issues, you can hit me up on my social medias, DM me. I'll just help you out for free, we're here to help each other and to build each other. So I said I would help you. So this lady, she's not someone I know, she just subscribed to my content, and she DM'd me if I could help her, and we've been on this journey with her for around 2 months right now. We've been doing this, and so she DM'd me, and she was like, just so grateful the way I've impacted her life, the way I've helped her. Her dress code has improved, her spouse is happy, you guys are telling her about this even at work. So I was like, yay, as in I was happy for her, because at least I've impacted someone. Because as a content creator, sometimes you just want to impact one life, one. That's just enough. So she's been improving. I remember the last time when she went shopping, I have 5 people that I we do this together. We do it via WhatsApp calls, not WhatsApp calls, Facebook calls, or even Instagram. So when she went shopping the last time, I told her we'll do it virtually. So she went there, she chose whatever she wanted. So when she went to the training room, she was like, this, how do you find this? How do you find this combo? So I was like, yeah, I helped her. Yeah, she got her stuff, she went back home. Plus the previous quotes she had, I was like, yeah, this will work well with this tray, this. Like, it's just been uplifting her. So today she told me that she had something for me. I was just like, don't even bother. I was like, me, I don't want anything. And then she was like, no, I just have something for you. Just tell me where you can drop it, or I can drop it and then go pick it up. So I look for drop off points, and then I told her I should drop it, solely drop it. We are not going to edit that. Where she would drop it, and so she dropped it. Guys, oh my goodness. I was just like, what? Okay, I have cried. I've cried because I never expected this. I never saw this coming. So this lady, thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, God bless you. Where that has come from, may God bless. So good. So guys, this lady just surprised me with this. It's a water dispenser, imagine. She was like, whoa. You've really helped me a lot. My fashion has improved, my sense of dressing has improved. So I just felt that would be, because I saw you didn't have, that would be something. Because you also said you're making your kitchen and something of that sort. So well, I was out of words. Like, to be honest, I was out of words. I didn't know. Like, since I started this channel, the blessings that I have been receiving. Oh, I don't know. But what I want you to know, my dear, wherever you are, just know that I am grateful. I am so grateful. And as in, may you just be blessed. And one of the things that touched me the most was when she said her spouse currently is so happy with like her dress code. Even her spouse told her, hey, you may change, you've improved. Like, your dress code is different, like it's noticeable. So I still will not charge. I've not charged her, and I will not still charge, because I believe always, like, it's called the replicating procedure. Like, if you do good will come back to you. I didn't do this for anything. I just did it because I knew I had these skills. I knew I had this. This is something I know, and I can use my skills to help someone. I didn't expect anything in return. So yeah, so let's unbox, guys. Let's unbox with you guys. So it's just, it may be tiny to you, it may be tiny to someone else, but to me, I'm so grateful. I am super grateful. So this is the box, and for sure it's going to help me, my dear. I didn't have it. I'm glad now you've blessed me too. You've blessed my life. And yeah, so guys, let's unbox together. Hey, I think this blessings came with the root. That's weird. Guys, yeah. So guys, this is the beautiful baby. Yeah. So this is the girl. it's just a tabletop. It's color white. I'm glad. I don't know, she told me that color white, she went with color white because she felt white will go with anything, and me, I really appreciate it. I am honestly, sincerely, I'm glad, and this is gonna come through so nicely. Yeah, okay. Today I don't have the energy to jump, but as in this one, guys, this one has swept me. Yeah, so that has been my evening. Yeah. Also, another thing, what did I want to tell you? So today, like I always tell you guys, the universe always aligns. It will align for you. It will align. Just do, like, have a clean heart. That's what I can say. Have a clean heart, have good intentions, and the universe will come together for you. So imagine today, just today, I went to replace this girl. This has been my iron box for the last for long. This girl has served me for long. I can't even remember for how long. Maybe just see. But she's been with me for the longest, even before, ever since I started working. This girl has been with me. So recently, I was ironing, and then remember that day I was telling you guys that I don't know what happened with my iron box, so I had to get a new one because this one I felt it was not working. So this was randoms. That so that you know the universe will just bring itself together. So I got this one for one. It's a bit bigger than the one I had before. Yeah, so this one will be I've just gotten the title in my head. This is just an unboxing video because we're just here to unbox. So this is how the new one looks. But guys, guess what? When I connect this one to the power, it just shows it has something here. This one, it's in a worker, it turns on, but there's no, it doesn't get heat. This one, when I connect it to power, it does not even get hot or something. So I don't know whether it's my socket. I don't know what's up. So I was just like, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to try it to my neighbors first so that I can make a conclusion. I don't know. Yeah, guys, so once again, my darling, my dear, I'm not gonna mention your name. Once again, I'm just saying that I hope you know. I even told you, and I say it even on this vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for content creators who are doing content creation or upcoming content creators. Be you, do you. You never know who is watching. Maybe sometimes people may not give you the audience, but keep on doing it. I remember this lady was telling me that the video I posted on Friday, I was talking about, hey, sometimes the way content cannot be received, and then the way I was feeling so down, the way it was making me to feel, and then that's why she said that's why she felt to lighten me up and just to tell me, you're doing a good job, keep on going. So for all the content creators out there, I want to remind you that you're doing a good job, keep on going. And if you're thinking of starting this content creation journey, it's not easy, but just do it, just start. You see me, see the way see the way my life is being blessed. So even you never know. Yeah, you may do something that touches someone's heart, and it may be even a big brand that may give you a big brand deal. So that's it, child. That's it. So for now, that's all I wanted to tell you. Let's go make dinner. Yeah, that's it. See you in the kitchen. Bye bye.